In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickfunnels with Getresponse. We'll walk through the entire process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen and have these two tools talking to each other by the end. The goal here is simple. Whenever someone opts in through your Clickfunnels funnel, their information will be sent straight into your Getresponse account, ready for your email campaigns and automations. Start inside your Clickfunnels account on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Workspace Settings. Go ahead and click that. Think of Workspace Settings as the control center for your account, where you manage global options that affect your funnels, integrations, and more. Once you're inside Workspace Settings, you'll see a list of different sections or tabs. Find the one called Integrations and select it. This is where Clickfunnels lets you connect to other services like payment gateways, webinar platforms, and of course, email marketing tools. Since we're specifically interested in Getresponse, we'll work from this integrations area. After you click integrations, you'll see a list of supported third-party applications. Scroll through this list until you find Getresponse. It's usually categorized under email marketing services, along with other popular providers. When you see Getresponse in the list, click on it to start setting up the connection. At this point, Clickfunnels needs permission to communicate with your Getresponse account. A window or prompt will appear asking you to log in to Getresponse if you're not already logged in. Enter your Getresponse login details directly on their secure page and continue. Then you'll be asked to authorize or allow access. What you're doing here is granting Clickfunnels permission to send contact data, like names and email addresses, into your Getresponse lists. Carefully review the permissions shown in the authorization screen so you understand what data will be shared. When you're comfortable with it, confirm or allow the connection. After authorization is complete, Clickfunnels will take you back to the integrations area, and you should now see Getresponse listed as an active or connected integration. From here, you're ready to use Getresponse inside your funnels, assigning it to specific pages or steps so new leads automatically flow into your chosen email lists and automations. That's all it takes to connect Getresponse to Clickfunnels and streamline your email marketing process.